So tell me what you want to work on, and then we'll do the resourcing.
Okay.
All right.
I think the first thing that's most important is the secondary abuse in terms of how scary it is for me to be in front of the group.
Okay.
Because of the 35 years of the memory being gone, you know, me not having my memories, and then how pathologized I was during all that time. And then even now, you know, the importance of me knowing and other people knowing that I've done a lot of work, I'm really highly functioning, I'm very integrated, and I'm not in my abuse. Yeah.
Right, right.
That I can go where I can go and, you know, clean that up, but that's not who I am.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So it's important for you to know that I know that.
Okay.
That I know you're whole, and you're strong, and you're capable.
Yeah.
And you can do this.
And I've done a lot of work.
You have done a lot of work.
And I just want, this piece needs to be done. I need to get her out of there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So so I know you're strong, and I'm going to align with your strength.
Okay.
And I'm also going to hold that some bad things happen to you at the same time.
That's right.
So we have both, that you're very strong and you're very capable and you can do this, and that some bad things happened.
That's right. Thank you.
Okay. So that
feels good.
We're going to hold both those
Got
at the
it.
same time.
Yeah.
So let's start by resourcing.
Okay.
We'll resource first,
All right.
and then I'll get the story of what happened to you.
Okay.
So this is really comfortable for you,
This
the
is
knee to
great. I
knee.
like that.
That gives you more of a sense of connection and safety with me.
Helps me continue to ground. Yeah.
Great, great. And so do you have a peaceful place?
Yes.
What do you have?
The front room in my home, where I sit in my chair where I meditate, that's surrounded with an altar with my family on it and pictures of my daughter, and I can look out the window and I see all the trees and my woods out back, and my husband's probably in a neighboring room. And
Great, okay. So just imagine that and really feel the safety of that right now, the peacefulness of that. Let me know when you have it.
I got it.
Okay, I'll turn this on.
Good.
Okay, great. Great. Do you have nurturing figure or figures?
Yes.
Okay, so who do you have?
Carolyn,
Okay.
Elizabeth, and my husband.
So Carolyn is a friend.
And a therapist.
Elizabeth is a friend.
Friend. Mother of 3 girls.
And,
My husband.
okay, great. Okay, so imagine Carolyn and feel her nurturing quality. Got it? Great. Okay, and then Elizabeth? Okay. And then your husband, feel his nurturing quality. You have a sense of it? Okay, good. Okay, good. How was that for you?
Great.
Okay, super. Okay, and protector figures.
My husband and Hawk.
And Hawk is?
My power animal.
Okay, okay, great. Great. Okay, so imagine your husband, and this time in his protective aspect. Great. Okay, and hawk?
Got it.
Got it. Okay. Okay, super. Great, great. And wise figures?
Grandmother Oak. Al. And myself.
Yeah. Great. Fantastic. Okay, so start with Grandmother Oak. Feel her wisdom quality. Great. Okay, an owl. Okay, great. And your wise self.
She says, I got this.
Great. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's one more person I want to install, and that's Mother Mary.
Great. I was thinking of some of the other ones that we did before.
My guides, my angels.
Your guides, your angels, Mother Mary, Jesus.
Jesus.
Okay.
Buddha.
Buddha.
All of them.
Fantastic. So just, do you want to imagine them as a group, or do you want to do them individually?
No, we can bring them in as a group. But let's bring Mother Mary in individually and everybody else as a group.
Okay, Mother Mary,
Mother Mary and Jesus.
as nurturers or protectors?
Mother Mary as a nurturer and Jesus as a protector.
Okay, so let's start with Mother Mary and really feel her compassion and her nurturing. You got it? Great. Good. Okay. And then Jesus as a protector. That protector aspect.
Everything.
Everything. Okay. He's wisdom, compassion, all of it. Okay, great. Good. Feel his presence, his quality. Good.
And I want just everybody else at Buddha and Mother Earth, nature.
Okay. So do you want to imagine them all as a group?
Does everybody come in?
Everybody's a group. Do you want them surrounding us here, creating a protective...
Surrounding the whole room.
The whole room.
Yeah.
All of these resources as a team of group support.
Holding the space.
Great. Okay, so imagine creating that.
Yeah.
You got it?
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of like guardians.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good. Really good.
Yeah, fantastic. You obviously have great contact with these resources. That's great.